Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will try to fix the problem that if you are on Windows and you start XAMPP, let's start so you can see what I'm talking about. So when you install it and it there's a show an error message, so the program can start because libsqlite3.dll is missing from your computer. Okay, and then if you click OK, it will attempt to run again, and then it will give you the same message again, and then it starts. So to get rid of this, MySQL works fine, but to get rid of this, what you need to do, you need to go to explore. So you will see this is the directory where the XAMPP is installed, whatever you installed it. So what you need to do, basically, you need to go to PHP folder and then look for libsql3. See, it's right here. It's roughly about 1.3 megabytes. So you just right click on it and copy, and then go back to your directory and then just go to Apache, then go to bin, and then just paste it here. Okay, right click and paste it. Okay, let's now try to run it again. Just stop it and then just try to run it. As you can see, there's no message, there's nothing wrong with it, so that's fixed the problem. I tested, it's worked, so it will work for you as well. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.